Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Deonna. If you guys are new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back to another video. So I know I filmed a couple of clips today, but none of them were of me talking. So today is Tuesday. It started my little 3-day work stretch, and yeah, today was actually a pretty okay day at work. The time just went by slow. Right now, sorry y'all, it's bothering me. I don't have nothing on my lips, but I wanted to vlog for y'all before I got home. It was a pretty okay day at work. I think that's what I was talking about, but time went by so slow. So it's like 6 o'clock right now, 6:20. We're about to do a little movie night, and I just picked us up some dinner from the little deli. I got a Philly cheesesteak, and babe got a gyro cheeseburger. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, is eat. I'm about to try that new wine that I got. I think I showed you guys. I don't know if I did, but I'll show you guys a little clip. I'm about to try it. It's by Carlos Rosie. I think it's a sweet rosé kind of wine, and I need to do something to my nails, edit a video, do a couple little things. So we're about to watch a movie though. Ooh, y'all, I just almost hit a cat. Good morning, y'all. So today is Wednesday. And I just got to work. It's 6:56 right now. I'm about to go upstairs and get a report. Just checking in. I'll catch you guys upstairs. Okay guys, so this is how my nails turned out, and actually I feel like it's not horrible, y'all. For it to be my first time, I feel like it's not horrible. It's wearable for a week or whatever. So yeah, y'all, that's what my nails are giving. So it's like 8 o'clock right now. We're pretty much just about to wrap it up, call it a night. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. We're probably just gonna, I'm about to get ready for bed, get my stuff ready for work tomorrow. One more day before our 4-day weekend, and that's it. Yeah, y'all, I'm actually not mad at these nails. They don't look bad. This period. Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me
would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
Hey y'all, so it is Thursday. It's still Thursday today. It's just feel like my Friday because I'm off for the next 3 days. But yeah, it is Thursday. I'm home from work. It's actually like about to be 4 o'clock. I got off at 1 o'clock like I told you guys, and our landlord was supposed to have been having some showings from 2 to 4, but no one has showed up yet, and I don't think anybody's gonna show up in the next 10 minutes. I'm actually finna just run to the corner store really quick and grab something that I need, and then I was gonna go to the Dollar Tree or Dollar General because I do want to go there because I want to pick up some carpet freshener, and I have like an obsession with vacuum lines, but I want to pick up some air freshener. I need to pick up some vitamin E oil, and I also need to pick up what else? I also need to get some more bubble bath because I want to take a bubble bath tonight, and we're out, so I want to get some more of the Dr. Teal's bubble bath or whatever. But I think I'm gonna wait and go a little bit later once baby is home and we decide what we're gonna have for dinner, because I don't want to have to go back for a third. I don't want to go in there 2 times in one day. So I'm just gonna go to the corner store real quick, come home, relax. Babe probably will be home in the next hour and a half maybe. So yeah, it's just 4 o'clock now. She'll probably be home around like 5:30ish, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner and probably just chill for the night. I just got done editing a video. That's what I decided to do once I got home, was just edit me a video, and I posted it, so happy about that. And yeah, I'm just excited when I'm productive. So now I'm gonna go home. When I get back, I'll probably just light up the hookah, play me a little Sims until babe gets home, and then once we figure out what we're gonna have for dinner, I'm gonna go to the Dollar General, pick up those things I needed plus whatever we need for dinner, because we don't have no groceries, y'all. Like, I need to go grocery shopping this weekend, but I don't want to get too much because we're moving. So we're literally, what is it? Today's the 9th, September 9th, moving. So we only got like 3 weeks left here. So I don't want to get too much, but I definitely need to get us something because we don't have nothing, like nothing even make up anything. But I got on here because the craziest thing happened when I got home, y'all, from work. Why was there somebody asleep on our porch? I could not believe it, but I could, because this guy actually, so we have a Ring doorbell, and if you guys have a Ring doorbell or ever considered getting one, you should for sure, especially if you just like to know what's going on at your household or you online shop a lot. It was already installed. Our landlord already had this doorbell on here, so it just was a nice perk. But now that we've had it for a year, like, we can't imagine not having it. But it's really nice. We can just see what's going on at our front door, what's going on around, when our packages are delivered. You know, you can make sure nobody's taking your stuff. You can talk to the people. Like, somebody comes to your door and you're not home, you can still talk to them, and all that stuff. So it's been actually super duper convenient. And when we first moved here, we live in a duplex, and it's upstairs and downstairs. So the upstairs was empty when we first moved in, obviously, and there was already someone living downstairs. So when we first moved in, I noticed, like, I would check the Ring all the time because you know, I had just started the office job, so I had a lot more downtime, like, to actually check the Ring when there's motion. So if there was motion at unusual times, I check it because I kind of knew, like, what our neighbor's schedule was and stuff like that. It really wasn't just that much motion. Now the neighbors we have, it'd be like the motion be out of control. But yeah, I was checking it, and this is like when we first moved in, and there would always be this Chinese man that would come and sit on our porch, and he would just sit there. And I think he thought the house was abandoned because our neighbors that live downstairs, well, that used to live downstairs when we first moved in, we have new neighbors now, they always were like, it didn't seem like no one was ever home. And then it was just 2 little ladies, so they probably didn't say anything. And then plus upstairs was vacant, so he probably just assumed the whole building was vacant, blah blah blah. Long story short, so several times we had to let him know, like, he couldn't just hang out on our porch, you know what I'm saying, via the Ring doorbell or whatever. And this same guy, we haven't seen him in months. Like, obviously, like, the winter came and went and all that stuff, and that was like we first moved back in September, and it was him, y'all. It was the same man It's so sad, like, don't get me wrong, but it's also scary for me, like, to just come. I was like scared. I got on open the porch door. I'm like, what the fuck? And he was laying in front of our downstairs neighbor's door, and I'm like, y'all don't see, or y'all didn't see this man like come and lay down on the porch, you know? I don't know. I mean, it's definitely sad, absolutely sad, but you know, you can't be asleep on our porch, dude. You just can't. All right, you guys, so I'm back home. It's a little bit later. It's like 5 o'clock now. I opened up my 2 Ipsy boxes, and these are my July and August ones. And I actually did have a couple little things I wanted to share with y'all. So this was, dang, I don't remember which month this was, y'all. I think this was August, though. But it's kind of cute. It has a little, just like a little, like, snake print. Is that snake print? And then it just kind of opens like that. That's actually really cute. Like, one thing about Ipsy, so if you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription. They have different sizes. This is the smallest size. I think it's, well, not I think, it's $12 a month now. It used to be $10 a month. But yeah, so it's $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe beauty size samples. Sometimes you get full-size products and to try out. Otherwise, you can get the $25 a month, and I think you get 5 full size. And I think they have like a, what is it, like a $50 maybe? I don't know what their biggest size is, but you get more stuff, obviously, if you want to do that. So my link is always down below if you guys want to check it out. I think it's worth it. It's just fun. I like makeup. I try and discover little things, you know, the little spiel. So anyway, the thing I wanted to do, so this profile that I have, I used to have 2. I had a skincare and a makeup one, but this is my skincare one. So yeah, these are mainly skincare items. So a couple cool things. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is this Sophia and Maybell hydrating lip oil. Right now I'm all about my lips, honestly, you guys, like getting them together. I love a good, we just launched our lip gloss at the Forever Glam Shop. So I love a good lip product. Like, I just feel like lip gloss is a staple piece. Like, it'll just add a shine and bright up to your look. If I can get the dang packaging off. And I just think this is super duper cute too. Like, it's pink. Like, how cute. That actually feels really nice. That's that, and this is just, it's the Juice Bar Lip Oil by Sophia and Maybell. And then they also sent me this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion, and this is oil-free for all skin types, and it's a 72-hour hydration moisturizer by It Cosmetics. And honestly, they're the one who put me on to the CC cream, and I love it. Also, I thought this was worth mentioning. I've never actually received a perfume in my Ipsy, like, so it was just kind of fun that I got this Kenzie perfume sample, and this is the So Pretty, and it's pretty cute. I mean, it's a pretty decent little sample. I did spray it on already, and it smells pretty good. It's floral, it's light, like it's pretty good. So I'll definitely use it. I don't know if I would repurchase it, but it's a nice light floral scent, and it's definitely somebody's scent. But I just thought that was pretty cool. Like, that's a really nice sample of a perfume. I think that definitely made it worth it. The thing I got is by Tint, and it is their clear brow gel. I've never heard of Tint, but I like how they spell their name. That's unique. And then this is what it looks like. It just says brow gel, and it's in clear. Oh, it smells good. So yeah, I'm excited to actually try that. That was everything that came in that bag, and that was pretty decent. And then my next bag, the other bag I got a nice brush. I love getting brushes from Ipsy. They give me really nice brushes, and I think this is a cute brush. It's brown with the gold like detailing. It's super duper soft, and this is like a brush that I personally would use to set underneath my eyes, or you could use it as a highlight. It says this is the Lightning Crew brush by MOTD, and yeah, it feels really soft, feels really nice. I always love the brushes that they send me. I use them all the time. So yeah, the next thing I got that was interesting is by Way, and it's the scalp and body scrub. And I'm like, scalp and body scrub? Oh, that smells so good, y'all. Wow. I didn't smell it yet, but I did like look at everything. I didn't smell it, but this smells bomb. I can't wait to use this. I'm not gonna use it on my scalp because I don't know how I feel about something that you can use on your scalp and your body, and I wouldn't really want to use a scrub in my hair. But I don't know, this smells amazing though. I actually cannot wait to use this on my skin. I might use it tonight in the shower, and it smells really, really good. And this is a really expensive brand. I know their hair care is, so I'm sure their skincare is also, and this is a pretty decent sample too. Honestly, it's a pretty decent sample size. You get one ounce, so that smells really good, y'all. Then I also got this Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer by Ciate London, and this looks really nice. I'm excited to put in my skincare fridge and use. I feel like this will feel so nice on the skin. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up, but there's like exfoliating beads inside or something. But yeah, that feels like that'll be really nice. So I thought that was a cool primer to try. And then the last thing that I got that was interesting in this bag is this lip mask gel, and it just says it's a conditioning and repairing lip mask. Like I said, I'm all about lips right now, and this is by Kaleido Cosmetics. And this is what the box looks like. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And look how cute it is. It's pink packaging. I love pink packaging. It smells really, really good. It has like a fruity smell. Yep, and then it has like that kind of consistency. It says, leave on tinted lip mask that works against dry, flaky lips overnight and infuses skin with suppleness and elasticity and moisture. It's formulated with watermelon. Yeah, I knew I smelled watermelon seed. Or watermelon seed oil, shea butter, rose hip oils, and jojoba. And yeah, it just says the gel texture, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. It reminds me of like the Laneige sleeping mask, which I'm actually out of, and I haven't got a chance to go get my birthday gift. I'm gonna try to get it tomorrow, so hopefully when we go in the next vlog, you guys will see me getting the birthday gift, because it was actually pretty cool, even though it's September now, so hopefully they'll still let me get it. But yeah, and this is in Rose Melon. I didn't even know that there was a shade here, but I'm excited to use this, and I've been using that scrub I showed you guys, this homemade lip scrub I got from the Black State Fair. It was a black small owned company, and it's been working really good on my lips. So I'm gonna use this afterwards before I go to sleep, and my lips probably gonna be super duper bomb. So anyways, you guys, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up because it's probably long enough at this point, and we're gonna start a new vlog probably tomorrow, or I'll start it tonight if there's anything super duper pressing to show you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it to the end of the video and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know you guys made it. And you know what, leave me a lip emoji so I can know you guys made it to the end, since we was talking so much about the lip products, because I felt like I had a lot of lip products this year, and I was super excited because that's what I'm about right now. So yeah, if you guys made it and you're a true OG subscriber, because I know who y'all are, leave me in the comment down below of lips. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.